Yung lipstick stain on the front lobe of my
Nag-araw po sa inyong lahat. Andito po kami para ipahayag sa inyo ang aming ulat tungkol sa relihiyon ng Juatrianismo. At dito po magsisimula ang aming pag-ulat. Ako po si Kimberly Buibong Kilaw at ito naman ang aking partner na walang iba kundi si Regina Sister. Kami po ang mag-uulat sa relihiyon ng Juatrianismo. Juatrianismo. Ito ang relihiyon na itinatag ng Zoroaster o Zarathustra. Si Zoroaster ay buhat sa angka ng mga magdirigma ng Persia. 40 taong gulang si Zoroaster nang nanaginip siyang napakita sa kanya si Ahura Mazda, ang Diyos ng karunungan at kabutihan. Zoroastrianism, also called Mazdaism and Mazdaism is a religion and philosophy based on the teachings of Prophet Zoroaster, also known as Zarathustra in African, and was formerly among the world's largest religions. It was probably founded sometime before the 6th century BCE in the eastern part of ancient Greater Iran. And what threat is it? The creator of Ahura Mazda is a cult of no evil originates from him. That is a Juatrianism would an evil have the snake started with evil, try to destroy the creation of Mazda or Asha. A god trying to sustain it. Mazda is not always infinite in the world, and its creation is represented by a Mishak, a Titan, and the host of other Zayat Oya Oya Jatak, through whom the words of Jat are evidence to humanity and through whom worship and Mazda is ultimately directed. The most important texts of the religion are those of the Avesta, of which of the significant portion has been lost and mostly only the liturgies, of which have survived. The lost portions are known in only through reference and brief documentation in the latter works primarily from 19th to 11th centuries. In some form, it served as the national or state religion of a significant portion of the Iranian people for many centuries. The religion first dwindled when the Achaemenid Empire was invaded by Alexander III of Macedon, after which it collapsed and disintegrated, and it was further gradually marginalized by Islam from the 7th century onwards in the decline of the Sassanid Empire. The political power of the pre-Islamic Iranians. The native land of Judaism eminent British in ancient times, and some of its leading doctrines were adopted by another religious system. It has no major technological division. The only significant change is based on calendar difference, but is not uniform. Modern era influence have significant impact on individual and local practice. Value and vocabulary sometimes merging with a tradition and in other cases displacing it. Dito po,